Today we are going to go through how to assemble and clean the Melia double electric wearable breast pump.
The Melia breast pump is wireless, concealed and discreet. The collection cup and pump motor are integrated into one unit, allowing for complete hands-free expression, helping you gain flexibility and save time.
Now let's look at how to assemble the breast pump. The Melia consists of 5 parts.
The collection cup, soft silicone breast shell, lip valve, diaphragm and the pump motor. First we will take the lip valve and insert it inside the small hole at the base of the collection cup. Make sure the tip of the lip valve is sitting parallel to the base of the milk collector. Take the silicone diaphragm and insert it into the milk collector and press it in firmly. Make sure the side with the circular indent is facing towards the interior of the milk collector. We now need to install the breast shell. We need to line up the small indent on the milk collector with the small indent on the breast shell. Once it's aligned, we want to press the breast shell firmly into the centre of the milk collector. Once in place, we want to secure the edge of the breast shell around the edge of the milk collector. Now simply slot the pump motor on top and we're ready to pump.
If you want to double pump, repeat the same steps again to assemble the second breast pump. When positioning the pump set inside your bra, ensure your nipple sits in the centre of the funnel.
The pump shouldn't be too snug in your bra. You can lengthen the straps or use the included bra adjustment buckles to lengthen the straps of your bra during pumping.
If you need to adjust the size of the breast shell, you can use a breast shell insert or switch to a different size breast shell.
Click the link in the description for help with sizing, or you can download Ardo's sizing guide directly from their website. After you finish pumping, switch off the pump and carefully remove it from your bra. Before decanting your milk, make sure to remove the pump motor first and put it to one side. Then pour the milk through the opening of the collection cup into the milk bottle or easy clean storage bag.
Do not wash or get any water on the pump motor. It needs to remain totally dry.
To clean the milk collection cups, dismantle them into individual parts first. We need to clean the following pieces: the collection cup, breast shell, insert if used, the lip valve and silicone diaphragm. When removing the lip valves, make sure not to pull on the delicate end. Instead, pull on the reinforced part to avoid damage. Give all parts a rinse first, then clean all pieces individually with warm soapy water. You can use a bottle brush to do this. However, don't use a bottle brush to clean the lip valves as this may damage them. Then rinse again.
Make sure to use separate cleaning equipment for what you use for your regular dishes. Alternatively, you can pop all non-electrical washable parts in the dishwasher.
Once we've cleaned all parts, it's important to leave them to air dry before using them again. If parts aren't dry before the next use, moisture could get into the pump and cause damage. It's for this reason we do not recommend storing the collection cups in the fridge between pumping sessions. For an extra layer of protection, we can also steam clean the washable parts with an easy clean bag. Simply pop all the washable parts inside the bag and add 60 ml of water. Seal the bag, place it in the microwave and follow the timing instructions provided on the bag based on your microwave settings. Always read the instructions on the bag carefully before use to make sure you're using it correctly for your microwave. When it's finished in the microwave, let the bag cool inside the microwave for at least 2 minutes. Once done, remove the bag using the safety grip feature. Make sure to hold the bag away from you and carefully pour the remaining water through the steam vent. Finally, open the bag and leave it all to air dry or use a clean cloth. Make sure it is all dry before storing it away or using it again.
If you want to learn more, just click the links below.